go down to business. Nice doing business with you. Yes. We can run that handshake. We can save it for some other time.
Good day, boss.
Yeah, good day. What can we do for you?
Oh, so many things.
So many things like...
Can I join you guys?
Join us? As in drinking, clubbing, like chilling, spending money. Come on, feel free, man. Take one. Feel free, man.
Oh, no, not as in drinking per se, but as in... Sakawa.
Hey! A great job!
What the meaning of what he just said?
What's this shit?
Do you know him? Do you guys know him?
Baby, come on, send first for you, eh? Eh? As I talk to you, sir, carry your two left leg, eh? If you don't carry your... You need grace. Your father for there. See this nigga won't go spoil my children.
Leave him now. Leave that riff-raff. Leave that riff-raff. Let's party on.
This guy was...
What do you want?
I need to speak to his sister.
You again? Wait, don't move. This house is full of options. Don't move. Don't move. Are you not the same person I told you to wait at the gate? Why are you chasing me like this?
I was coming here. Can I say hello?
You may not.
Excuse me?
You heard me right. She is not ready to see you today. Let me just escort you simple at the gate for you to find your way. Look as if you don't know where you are going.
Go back and tell her that she may refuse to listen to what I'm here to say. But she cannot reject to see my face today.
Hello, madam. Yes, hello.
Let him in.
Okay. Oh! You'll be raising your shoulder as if this house belongs to you. Do you know how long I've been in this house? When you are coming, you'll be raising your shoulder as if you are. Do you know how much is blocked? It's all about my madam's fault. If my madam should have given me the opportunity to ransack her, who are you to come here and talk to me anyhow? Yeah.
Good morning. I mean, good afternoon.
What do you want?
I know you don't like me that much.
Even the blind can see that.
Yes. And I would rather be flogged than to stand before you.
Oh, well. That can be arranged now.
Though we have our differences, but we do have one thing in common.
And what can that be?
A genuine love for your daughter, Kavui. My friend, who of course you don't want me to date.
Georgina, I have told you time and time that you better look somewhere else. Because you're not good for her.
And neither will she be mine if she dies this weekend. It's a very dirty person. They paid very well to do whatever they want to do.
Including molestation?
Yes. And murder. No question asked.
George Macaulay.
I didn't know you remember my last name.
You know what? I want you to leave this house. And trust me, I don't want to set my eyes on you again.
You don't believe me?
You know what I believe? Is that you're too obsessed with my daughter. And that is not good for her. That is why I'm going to get the police running after you. So you can sign an undertaking. Should in case my daughter goes missing, then they can come after you. Oh yes, you better listen to me.
No, you listen to me.
How are you?
Why don't you find out what should be going this weekend? Make some calls. Confirm my info before throwing it to the window.
I think I owe you an apology.
Don't bother. It will hurt some pride.
My pride will crush, as well as my life if something happens.
Well, that's unfortunately true.
So what do we do now? The party is illegal. It must be grounded. I think I have to make some calls.
No,
Why not?
I wouldn't do that if I were you. Think of yourself as a big fish, which you are. These people are sharks. They own the ocean, and they can't do anything about it. The only thing they could do is trying to convince Catherine not to attend the party.
Oh my goodness, something has to happen. What do I do now? What do we do?
We? Well, I don't know. But I have someone who can fix the problem permanently.
Someone? Who is that person? You can't get people involved into our private matters. Well then.
Oh, Lydia. All right, go in. Lara. Coffee. Ah. Juliet. Alright, alright. Tina. And Angela. Okay. Alright.
Hello, boss. Yeah, target's on board. Yeah. Step 1 completed. Good job. Proceed with step 2. Yeah, copy that.
I think you should reserve it for the main thing. Okay. So, take it and pass it upwards.
Hello. Please, step 2 in progress. Nice. Yeah, no complications, sir. Okay.
Hello, ladies. Hello?
Is this where the pattern is holding?
Of course not.
So, what are we doing here? And it's about... Where is my wristwatch and my necklace? What is this?
Oh God.
A gun.
And don't you think we know that already? What do you need a gun for? What's going on here?
Let's just say you've been kidnapped. Or should I say you've been adopted?
Oh my God! Yes, we Ransom. Oh, you with us?
Isn't that always the case? Kidnaps, killings. Isn't that always so?
As for me, I don't have money, so you can kill me.
I think you guys have gotten the picture of why we're here. You cease to live if you cease to worth any value. Here we begin.
You've given us the names and numbers of your contacts. Your one dependable contact. We are going to try to establish contacts with each of them.
If for any reason you fail, you know you will be executed. This party is going to be shut down by 6 o'clock. And if by 5 o'clock, you will either be dead or set free. You have in your hands the time you have left. If by that time your contacts fail to meet our demands, I will be left with no choice but to execute each of you. Get me a gun.
How do we know you're not going to kill us anyways?
Good. You don't know. But if you ask me any more questions, I'm going to start by trusting you now. Cut it off! Which of them? Get me a number.
Number 2 coming up in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Are you not ready yet?
Not yet. We are ready.
Good. So what's next?
We wait.
George, you know I hate to wait.
Of course you do.
Who are you?
$50,000 in cash.
I'll contact you in 30 minutes.
What?
Your daughter's life depends on this.
Oh, God. George, I'm finished. I'm finished.
Father, I'm not the kind of guy that says I told you so. So I'm not going to say it. But unfortunately, they tell you how good these people are at what they do. Now you doubt me.
So what do we do now?
You get the money ready. But this time around, I'll do the talking.
No way.
There won't be much talking unless you get the money ready. So you better step up the game.
Okay, right.
Just something to motivate you.
I'm so motivated. I guess you got the result.
Who the hell are you?
My name is George. And I'm here to negotiate Scarface's release.
Now you listen to me. I deal with Mrs. Louisa only.
Why? Are you threatened by me?
If you don't listen to me, the next body that's going to be leaving this room will be that of your dear Kafwis.
That he wants. Because he wants your money.
There will be no negotiation. You follow my orders, and you get the girl back. You disobey my orders, and you will need the money for her burial. Who the hell is this guy?
I think we should ask the girl. Just come down. I know what to do.
You just pissed him off.
Yes, I know. I just have to make you understand that he's not the one you want to touch.
No, you can't do that. Are you out of your mind? For God's sake, my daughter's life lies in his hands.
The leverage he has is not his possession of your daughter. His biggest leverage is your fear. You're afraid of him. You're afraid for your daughter. And for that reason, it's driving you crazy. Look, do whatever he asks you to do. We have to counter fear with fear.
What on earth? What's that?
You are very powerful. Send him a message. Make him understand what you're capable of doing. Then you also know that he has something to be worried about.
What? That is not necessary now. It's not necessary now.
You know it's really crazy for the first time in your adult life you allow someone to tell you what to do and not what to do. And yet you stand there and see nothing wrong with it.
George, the man said if the ransom is paid, he will let her go.
And are you going to take his words for her? You know what? This game is no longer about your daughter.
Excuse me? Is this some kind of game or what?
This is some kind of nothing to me. But it's a game to him. Can't you see everything has changed?
What are you talking about? We are really on track. Right? The script says if the money is paid, then they will allow her to go.
And what part of the script says that he's going to kill the girls and put them in their body bag?
Oh my God. Did he really kill the girls?
Yeah, look at it. I recorded a feed video.
Oh my God. would he do such a thing?
Because they saw his face.
He was wearing a mask. And we all agreed he wears a mask.
Look, you only wear masks on camera and that's it.
Oh my goodness. What his life is in danger.
Who are you calling?
The police, of course.
Wait. Let me guess. You're going to tell them you're arranged with the kidnappers to snatch your daughter. And you'll be a hero, right?
It doesn't matter. As long as they find her.
They will need your location. Maybe you should confirm that first.
Room 501. Empty.
I thought as much. So it's we against them.
Oh my goodness. Movie directors are found changing their storyline.
What's that?
That was his words. 2 days ago.
Look, it's also very important to realize that most movies directors, they are fond of altering the storyline of their scripts. You know, sometimes the movie become a blockbuster, but most times they make a mess of it. They really do make a mess of it.
But I believe we have everything here. So we don't have to change. I think let's just stick to it. It's a good script.
Maybe, you never know. Once the director says action, the heart is turned on. And when the heart is turned on, it changes everything. Everything.
What now?
That is what we do now. There's been a twist of plan. We're no longer going to follow the script. Kafi's life depends on our scripted actions.
Talking about the ransom. Now she's seen their faces. And the moment he lays his hands on the ransom,
Kafi,
God have mercy. God.
Mrs. Scott, we are yet to hear from your father. I guess we don't have to deal with it.
Come on. My father is worth millions. I'm sure he's surely going to call.
I guess you don't want a damn thing. You surely have been a bad girl.
Please. We can work something out.
I don't regret a damn thing.
It's sad. But don't worry. My dad will pay. He is rich. And I'm going to make sure he pays for your release. Promise. I won't let you ruin my life. Just like you did with my dad. Those were the last words I said to my mom. She tried to stop me from attending that party, but I wouldn't listen. I can still see clearly the hurt in the eyes when I said those words to her. They shrunk her pride. As a failed and shameful woman, she left my room speechless. What did she ever do to me? How am I supposed to know that? I blamed her for everything that ever went wrong in my life. I even blamed her for making so much money. And today, I need that money. Lot of it just to stay alive. I even blamed her for the death of my father. Oh. You must be kidding me. You mean I blame my dad for losing my virginity? Do you believe that? That's insane.
That's disgusting. You. Who's this guy?
A friend.
Ooh, boyfriend then. You know, before this is all over, I'm going to put a bullet through his skull. But to do that, I need to lure him over here. And you're going to be the bait.
What did he do to you? What did he ever do to you?
The clock is ticking. Tick, tock, tick, click, tick, click.
You have to wait for him until it's done.
Done doing what exactly?
The music. He doesn't joke with it.
What kind of song is that?
You know, son.
That sounds like a burial song.
I like smart people. You know what? You do me a favor. Tell him that when you talk to him. He drives everyone crazy with that song. The sound makes you feel like you're gonna die soon. Use your head.
What type of soft drink do you take? I don't drink alcohol. Fanta is for life, but that's what you get when you don't have a choice.
How did you know my name? I never introduced myself.
Today? No.
Excuse me.
You didn't introduce yourself to me today, but you did 8 years ago.
8 years ago.
Do you remember the inter-college racing competition? You stood next to me. And I remember you saying to me, you introduced yourself and said, hey, my name is George and I'm here to win the trophy. And I'm sure you're here to watch me win it. And you went on bragging and talking about how great you were, how great an athlete you were. And for the first time in many races, my heart started to race even before the actual race. Pounding. And you went on to win the race. You didn't win the race because you were the fastest on the track. In fact, you ran 38 seconds and I ran 40. I came second to you. I could actually run the same distance in 25 seconds. But you did win the race because you were confident. You had self-assurance. Confidence, self-assurance. Never leave home without it.
Wow. I do remember this competition. And this thing between us. I can't remember.
It's your place to forget. It will be foolish on my part to forget.
But I'm sorry.
You're sorry for what? That you won the race back then?
I don't think so. I guess I don't know what to say to it. Why even discussing this?
Because you, my friend, are not that confident, self-assuring person that beat me 8 years ago.
What I?
What am I? Because if you were, you won't be sitting in my couch begging for my help like a whipped up.
What's funny?
Come on, let's go and get some fresh air. Who told you about me? Who told you I could help you?
You know, words get around.
Don't believe everything you hear, though.
Are you going to help me or not?
Of course I'm going to help you. I'm going to help you. The party starts by 10 o'clock. Make sure you have your girl dropped with some strong tranquilizers between 7 and 8 o'clock. Something that can last for about 12 hours. So that by the time she wakes up, the party will be over. you're looking at me that way because, yes, of course, I'm going to be one of those who rape your girl. She's going to be raped, she's going to be gagged, she's going to be molested. Your girl is too weak for that. I don't think she can stand those things, man. Let's say she survives. She's going to have a hard time forgiving herself. Just like she's having a hard time facing reality.
I beg your pardon.
Do you like my plan?
Yeah.
So you have to pay for it.
That's not a problem.
Like you. So do it. I also do what? That I can't do. It's called a do-it-yourself kind of thing. That way you appreciate everything we're doing here.
Thanks.
It's okay. Deposit my money and go and get your girl.
Wait. I told your mom you could help me find a solution.
Permanent solution to what?
Basically, a best relationship with your daughter. From what I've heard, you could fix anything, right?
You pay me $20,000 now. By tomorrow, I will come up with a plan. If you like the plan, I will charge you extra.
You charge me if I like the plan. What is then the $20,000 for?
Is money now a problem?
No, not at all.
Look at my money. Your message carried much urgency.
Do the job. Don't make it easy as it is.
So you know about it.
Remember, I rule this town, right?
Okay. Okay. I will do as you say.
Okay.
We'll see you around. Scared you, right? I'm sorry. Juliet. Julie, you know your father is truly a rich man. He paid your ransom in full. No complaints, he paid your ransom in full. And Juliet, I'm pleased to tell you that you're free to go. You are free to go, Juliet.
We'll meet again soon. My dad is going to pay. I promise you that.
Oh, so nice. Oh, so nice.
You said that I was going to get your money.
I said I will let you leave, but I didn't promise I will let you leave alive. You've seen my face, can't you see? Idiot.
If you know who my mother is, you won't be messing around with her.
Oh yeah, I know who your mother is. Oh, your mother, she's a stupid, damn stupid woman sitting somewhere, and I have a daughter with me crying for her life, and she can't do anything about it. The next time you ever misbehave or try anything stupid, the friends I give good death to, with you, make your death slow and painful. I will be raped to death. How does it sound? I can make that happen for you.
My mother will find you! She'll make you pay for everything you've done to me! Bastards! God will punish you!
Can we talk? Now, where is Mrs. Lewis?
Before I proceed, I want to confirm the cover is not.
That is going to be the last request we will make to me.
We won't pay for a damaged goods of any kind. No bruises, no cut. So if I were you, I would treat a package with respect. Just a paycheck.
Just take the money to the address that has just been forwarded to you.
Yeah, how about that? There's been a change of plan. We need more hours.
She has just 15 minutes to live. I'm going to make sure she dies. Slowly. Painfully. Good night.
Wait. You asked for cash, right? Remember, cash don't miss.
That's not my problem.
Exactly. If you want your money, how does double your finance? Give us 1 more hour and your money will be done.
Okay. You have 1 hour.
One more thing, please. You are good on background check. As a one-time fine, I advise you run over your telling weight. That was if you run it again. You can't run fast. My clients will show you hands now.
Okay, wait. So this is the plan. We'll stage a kidnap and rescue operations.
Actually, I'm going to stage the kidnap. And you, with your very fine self, you're going to come and rescue your daughter. But I don't want us to think that it's going to be so easy. Because in reality, it's anything but easy.
But do we need a movie script to go through this?
Actually, we're shooting a movie. We are going to be actors, in a movie. Just like in a real movie. I think you see actors, they live extraordinary lives. They become politicians, wealthy billionaires, gangsters.
I know movies are not real, but life is. I know about that.
No, madam, listen. It's a script. Do you think actors could be so wealthy in a movie, or so powerful in a movie, if the script writer had not made the character that way? No. The reality of life, madam, is what we make of it. And we can be anything we want to, just like actors.
Yeah, I know. But don't you think the police will get involved in this?
They will. They actually will. But they will just think that we are shooting a movie.
Interesting.
Very interesting.
Anyway, let's just...
Yesterday you said I could fix just about anything.
Yeah.
That's not true. I can't fix a broken heart. I won't even know where to start. That girl has a broken heart. It's only God that can fix it. She needs to let go of all the pain she feels inside.
Are you now a shrink?
How did her father die?
I don't know. Should I even talk about it?
Right.
I can't believe I'm doing this to myself.
Just tell you the truth. You'll be fine.
Yeah, but I still feel guilty. I feel guilty about the whole thing. I know I'm supposed to be doing this for her. I don't like the stress I'm putting her through just to achieve my selfish.
That's not true. It's not true. You know it.
But I don't feel good about the whole thing.
And we should also fix that. The guilt you feel.
How, if I may ask?
Just a little twist to our plans. After the whole thing is over, just a little twist. The guilt you feel inside, you will search for it, but will find it no more. This is going to be the last time I will see any of you in person.
What do you mean by that? Excuse me, we didn't discuss. I mean, money, your fee.
Goodbye, madam.
missing something. George.
Mom.
I think I have to do this myself. Yes, I really appreciate all you've done for us. Thank you so much. But I believe this is my responsibility. In fact, Cav is my responsibility.
Madam, I can't just sit here and wait. Obviously, that guy has lost control.
How is the extraction team?
They've already moved to the new location. Vic sent me.
And the coordination. Please make sure you get us out alive.
Yeah, sure, I'll do that. But there's a tracking device on me. Make sure you don't tamper with it. Or let anyone fight it.
George, is this a plan?
Yes, it is.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Really appreciate it.
She's on her way. She left 5 minutes ago.
Did you put the pickup anyways?
Yeah.
Good. I'll let you know when to come.
Don't tell me that was Fix I saw you talking to.
Madam, if I do that, I'll be lying to you. But I can explain.
For God's sake, I saw the guy lying dead. I mean, he was shot and I saw him with my naked eyes. Look, I can swear on my life. In fact, my father's grave, I can do that.
Necessary.
Okay, so what are you talking about? Talk to me.
Do you remember telling Fix that what you feel was himself?
I know I'm supposed to be doing this for her. But I don't like the stress I'm putting her through just to achieve my selfishness.
That's not true. That's not true. No.
I don't feel good about the whole thing.
Yeah, we should also fix that. Get what you feel.
How, if I may ask?
Just a little twist to our plans. After the whole thing is over, just a little twist. The guilt you feel inside, you will search for it, but will find it no more.
Yes. Yes, I remember that.
And he did tell you that could be fixed.
Yes, I remember that, yes.
He made an adjustment in this moment. You needed not to know for it to serve its service.
So what about girls who were killed. What are you trying to tell them?
None of those girls were killed. They were for face.
What are you talking about, George? So where is he now?
He's gone.
Gone where? He didn't charge. He didn't take money from me. He didn't do all that for me.
It's for free.
What is for free? Look, I don't understand this. Maybe we have to talk about this some other time.
Listen, everybody. This is Face, and I've got 2 words for you all. Great job. Great job. Guys, today we saw a woman who brings everything. Everything she brings. Her money, her reputation, and her life. Just for one purpose. One purpose. Today we saw a mother leap like she wanted life. We also saw a girl who, for the first time, very first time in her entire adult life, took responsibility for her actions and for the circumstances of her life and thought well of her mom. Important. Guys, this is a newborn. A new family has been created. I wouldn't have done it without you. You guys made it work. You know, I like the way you fall, right? It makes me miss a heartbeat.
You're just so jealous. Get out of here.
And Juliet, where's Juliet? Juliet, what was that shit about losing your virginity? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay. Remember to go and thank God for keeping you alive. Don't forget, you will be gone one day. One day. So what do we do today? That's right. Okay. Godspeed.
Godspeed.
And if you don't know, this is Face signing off.